So, what I have here is the yet-to-be-released Vivo Y500 Pro in the Lucky Cloud Gold color. Today, let's do a quick unboxing and take a look at its exterior design. After opening the box, the phone is right on the top layer. Underneath, there's a clear silicone soft case, a quick start guide, and what should be a 90-watt charger. That's right, it's a 90-watt charger. At the bottom, there's a SIM ejector pin. The included accessories are still quite a lot. This is the Vivo Y500 in Lucky Cloud Gold. Let's take a moment to appreciate its color. The back cover of this phone is crafted with great attention to detail, and at this price point, it's the only one that uses the same flagship-level AG frosted glass process. It feels really comfortable to the touch and doesn't pick up fingerprints. The camera module ring has also been upgraded to an aluminum alloy material, which looks even more premium. Plus, there's a gold trim around it that adds a touch of elegance. Overall, it really gives off a high-end vibe. On the surface of the lens, it says 200 MP, which means this phone is equipped with a 200 megapixel high-resolution camera. Now, let's power it on and go to the main screen to take a look. First, let's take a look at its screen. The screen is a 6.67-inch 1.5K display, and the bezels around it are actually quite well done this time. They're pretty narrow. Next, let's check out the device information. It comes with a Dimensity 7400 processor, 12 gigabytes of RAM, and up to 512 gigabytes of storage. As for the battery, it has a 7,000 mAh capacity paired with 90-watt fast charging. Now, let's try out the 200 megapixel high-resolution camera. As you can see, the detail is impressive, very clear. For other features, this phone supports IP68 and 69 top-level waterproofing, wet hand touch, infrared remote control, full-featured NFC, AI object removal, Pro mode, ultra-durable King Kong structure, and drop resistance. It has all these features. What do you think about the new Y500 Pro? Leave your thoughts in the comments.